Hello everyone. Today I will be recording a video for my XP 2001 University of Central Lancashire project, the door problem solution, using Unreal Engine 4 as a tool for blocking out a level. In this level, the goal was to make the use of doors a solution to interesting game design rather than making it an inconveniencing problem that most players will have when playing a game, because they seem to be an obstruction normally, but by making a solution to this problem in the form of making it an interesting or fun mechanic, it can be turned into a fun solution that creates a lot more immersion and atmosphere into a game, and makes for a more interesting mechanic. My sources of inspiration for this one came from games that use keys and doors often, like Doom, while also including a bit of a puzzle element, like the Professor Layton series. Let's begin showing you what I have got in mind for this level. So in this level, you start off in a maze of corridors, and on each of these pedestals you'll see here, there will be a key. And each key is differently shaped, and they all fit the different locks on the doors. These slanted squares show what doors are. And here we find another key, and these other like halfways as well show you where more of these doors will be. And behind each one of these, more keys will be found. Here, for instance. Some of these doors will also have multiple locks on them, so there'll be a certain order to going through them. For the sake of this video, though, as it's hard to gauge which ones, this is the second. And these are either choice, really, because each will require the same amount of keys, and you'll have to make your way around to get to both of these, to 3 of these keys. There'll be different values on the side so that the progression can be done exponentially and not in just one way. And this is the second to last door that you'll have to open. Each of the keys as well will also come in many different shapes and sizes, like circles, squares, stars, letters, numbers, etc. And unfortunately here I forgot to put a big door here, but for the sake of just to imagine it, this part here, there is a massive door which requires every key that you've collected. This level as well had to be rather contained and small, just to make it not as confusing or as aggravating to get through. And it's not boring that way either. It's so that it makes for an interesting and concise experience for the player. A lot of this project was also done in concept art as well, and not just in blocking out the level. So that will also be submitted to Blackboard on UClan. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough of the level to show you my thought process, and I hope the video has helped a lot. So thank you very much for this, and goodbye.